Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have an amazing tutorial for you. In this video you'll learn how to create a free V2Ray VMess server and set it up in the HTTP Custom VPN app step by step. The process is simple and only takes a few minutes. Make sure you watch this video until the end so you don't miss any important steps. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell for more VPN and internet tutorials. Now, let's get started.
First, open your device's web browser. In the search bar, type FastSSH and open the official FastSSH website. Once you're on the home page, look for the V2Ray VMess server option and tap on it. A list of available server locations will appear. Choose the server location you prefer. Next, enter your desired username. If an SNI field is available or required, enter the appropriate SNI value. After filling in the required information, tap the Create Account button. Wait a few seconds while the website generates your VMess server. When the account is ready, tap the Copy button to copy the VMess configuration to your device's clipboard. Now open the latest version of the HTTP Custom VPN app. If you don't have it installed, you'll find the download link in the video description. After opening the app, go to the home screen. Enable the V2Ray checkbox. Next, tap the Plugin button at the top of the screen. A small menu will appear. Select V2Ray Settings. On the next page, tap the Clipboard button at the top. The VMess configuration you copied earlier will automatically be pasted into the app. Go back to the main screen. Finally, tap the Connect button. After a few seconds, your VPN will connect successfully, and you're ready to enjoy your internet connection. That's it. You have successfully created a V2Ray VMess server and configured it in the HTTP Custom VPN app. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more VPN tutorials, internet tricks, and technology guides. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.